Russian and Ukrainian forces escalated their attacks following a strike by Kyiv on a Russian tanker in the Black Sea. In the fresh, deadly air raids, a blood transfusion center, a university, and an aeronautics facility in Ukraine have been damaged. The attacks late on Saturday came as senior officials from 40 countries, including China, India, and the US, held talks in Saudi Arabia on how to end the war in Ukraine. Russian forces struck the blood transfusion center in the Kharkiv region of northeast Ukraine. Calling the attack a war crime, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky informed that the dead and the wounded are reported. A guided air bomb hit the center in Kupiansk, a city a few dozen kilometers from the Russian border. The strike came shortly after Zelensky said Russian missiles had hit a facility of the Ukrainian aeronautics group Motor Sich, a maker of plane and helicopter engines and other components. It is one of several companies requisitioned by the government since Moscow's invasion. The Motor Sich site is near Khmelnytsky in western Ukraine, around 300 kilometers southwest of Kyiv. The region, home to a major Ukrainian airbase, has been regularly targeted by Russian strikes in recent months. Ukrainian officials blamed Russia for the attack on the blood center in the eastern town of Kupiansk late on Saturday, while Moscow-installed officials accused Kyiv of using cluster munitions to damage a university in the Russian-controlled Donetsk region. Hours after Zelensky's report, the Moscow-installed governor of Donetsk in eastern Ukraine said a university building in the area was in flames due to Ukrainian shelling. He said preliminary information indicated the cause of the fire was the controversial cluster munitions. Earlier Saturday, Ukraine claimed it blew up a Russian tanker, the SIG, that was transporting fuel for Russian troops. The ship was holed at the waterline in the area of the engine room but was still afloat. The Ukrainian sources said the successful special operation, which involved a naval drone and explosives, was carried out jointly with the Navy in Ukrainian territorial waters. The SIG oil and chemical tanker is under US sanctions for supplying jet fuel to Russian forces in Syria who are supporting President Bashar al-Assad. The Russian Foreign Ministry condemned the attack on a civilian vessel, adding that the crew had not been injured. With both sides focused on winning on the battlefield, any chance to secure peace looks thin. Saudi Arabia is nevertheless holding talks on the war with representatives from nearly 40 countries including China, India and South Africa, but not Russia. The talks concluded Saturday and as expected, no final declaration was released. But a European source said there had been agreement that respect for Ukraine's territorial integrity and sovereignty should be at the heart of any peace settlement.